Hello and welcome back to Pancake Plays Hand of Fate. In the last episode we died. That's because it got really difficult. So, we are going to try maybe adjusting a few cards.
Back so soon?
And see how it goes.
I knew you would not falter. How bare my cabinet now looks. I have saved much for this moment.
Well, I don't know. I only have 2 more cards to beat, but they are very difficult. So wrath of food in combat. On each counterattack, the player inflicts double damage and loses 1 food. Okay. In combat, everybody moves faster but takes more damage. Okay. So, I think we can do this.
Are you a religious person? Now is the time for prayers. The King of Plague will kill you and lick the fat from your bones.
Oh, aren't you sweet? I don't like this card. But we did unlock some other cards that I am going to put in the deck. So, local peasant, you are switched out now with a demon, because that seems trustworthy. Actually, Devil's Choice is fine, but Devil's Wager, we lost at last time, so let's do Wife's Fury. Alright. Start the game. We can do this.
At their heart, all games are about power, are they not? The acquiring of power, the retaining of power, and most importantly, the use of power.
Nice. Blood auction.
This token will unlock more cards if you can defeat
It's
this
some
encounter.
blood. 60.
Choose from these options.
Wow, you're successful in your bid. The strange creature returns and says your item will be gift wrapped and sent to you. This card's token is now yours. Woohoo! Food wagon.
I expect this will come as a welcome surprise.
1 food gain card. 3 food.
I'm sure you are grateful for that.
The Landlocked Lover 3.
There's a token in it for you if
More
you
news
win.
from our friend, the Highbinder. He appears to feel guilty about the bandits that jumped you back in Norwich. I'm sure if he had seen you, he'd known that there's no need for guilt. He brings word of a cult of lizardmen who'd worship the Kraken as a watery deity of their kind. A disturbing thought, I know. Head out to the swamps and see if they can tell us anything about the Kraken. And be bloody careful these days. You are 100% of my clientele. Charity.
Every game must have both winners and losers.
Give food to the priest.
Without them, it degenerates into nothing.
Give 10 food. Why not? I hope this works out. Yay! Ah, the priest exclaims and draws out a tarnished old ring. I'll have my kids polish it up first. In the meantime, take my blessing. Draw one blessing card. The card's token is now yours. Holy touch.
The gods look upon you favorably.
Yay. Let her escape.
Do you understand what it is we do now? Or did I rush you through the rules, pushing you into the play before you were prepared?
Nah, everything's fine. Let's board the ship and go. I like fast runs.
Think about the way we play this game.
Maiden, I love you.
You continue to die, yet we reset the board each time.
One food.
One has to wonder how it is possible
10
to
food.
truly lose.
Thank you, maiden. The elders of our kind often say that we must retread paths we once took in order to gain an advantage on the present. Farewell, mortal. Thank you. The Lich.
There are so many ways to hang on to just one more moment of life. But at what price?
Oh, man. This is like a boss. The Lich is an undead able to hurt deadly... Oh. The Lich is an undead able to hurl deadly balls of magic fire. She can also consume other enemies in order to restore her health. Liches are known in legend as the greatest of the undead. Only the most powerful, the most foolhardy of wizards attempt to summon one, and only the most unlucky actually succeed. Can we flee?
Win this and claim my token.
I want to flee. Is there a flee choice? Can we flee? Flee in terror. Yes. I am not. No. 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 I have no desire to fight a lich. Ha! Devil's Choice. Oh, it's pretty good. Lonely Bard. Well, let's see. No, turn back. I want to see what the Lonely Bard's all about.
Well, at least you gave him a story to tell.
Haha, one
They
day
like nothing better, I hear.
One day on your travels you met a familiar face, the young man whom you helped escape from town with his beloved. He is sitting under a tree singing to himself. As you approach, you realize that he stinks of ale and his singing is a little too merry. He looks up as you approach. Haven't you caused enough sorrow? He stops to take another sip from a bottle. Thanks to you, we escaped town. He goes on to explain that once they were free of her father's pursuit, his beloved ditched him. For the first mercenary we met, if only we'd never left. He continues singing angrily. Now I must beg for coin to pay for my drink. 10 gold for a song, or have you no pity for fools? I'll give him 1. You throw him a few coins and he composes himself. He begins to sing, and he conjures up vivid and heartfelt imagery of beauty and innocence, lifting your morale and spurring you to epic deeds. The dealer draws you 1 max health gain card. This card's token is now yours.
A little extra health, but it is only a momentary respite.
Hehe. Oh, okay.
Ah, an encounter with the devils of the night. Perhaps not your last.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Mercenary contract. Always a good one. Devil's Choice. Choose your foe. 4 of Scales. It'll be fine. Nice! I already got 24 gold. Nice! That was a very small arena, so I always worry about those. Excellent, Daredevil cries. You have passed my cunning test. Have some treasure. Perhaps next time our paths cross, I'll kill you myself. I always love his enthusiasm. Alright, let's venture down. Wow.
All the world is a game board, and us men and women merely players. I alone do not play. I maintain the rules. You have choices, and I have predestination. Your choices, though, are merely a rediscovery of that which you already know.
Wow. Treasure chest. Attempt to pry it open. Success! I'm usually quite bad at these, so I'm really surprised. Poor game guards. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, I'll take it.
As pleases you.
Draw route 2, select one to keep. Fate's Folly.
Do you trust the cards will work in your favor?
Sure.
Hold.
Oh.
A challenge for you, and a token if
You follow the
succeed.
huntsman's voice further into the stone structure. At first glance it appears decrepit, but you start to notice signs that it's still in use. Fresh torches hang in the sconces on the wall, and you can make out a jumble of footprints in the dust. Oh, that's really tiny. Passageways splinter off and twist away in every direction. When I first started hunting the beast, I considered it just that, a mindless animal with an unquestionable thirst for blood. A huntsman's voice now appears to be coming from all around you. It fought, rampaged, and devoured with no apparent focus. In time, though, I came to discover that there was a meaning to the beast's madness. The white minotaur is singular in its power, but it pursues its own kind as zealously as I pursue it. The branching pathways of the labyrinth start to confuse and disorient you. I cannot tell you why, whether it be for family or for food. The huntsman's voice echoes weakly out of the darkness, as if now farther away. I won't bore you with any more details. Suffice it to say that this place makes the perfect trap. However, every trap needs a lure, and the trouble is that my lure
It has been
is
called
hungry.
the game of eternity that we play. I didn't think that meant you'd take forever to make a decision, mind.
Old Whitey didn't take the bait this time, but you are my consolation prize. Off in the dark you hear the scrape of steel and stone, followed by a blood-curdling roar. Just so we're clear, I'm locking you in here with them. You did better than most, but now we must part ways.
I have never seen the like.
Oh,
Both
man.
and beast. A most impressive creature, though I doubt you were inclined to appreciate it much of the time.
Yeah. This is really bad. Am I gonna die? I'm gonna die. Oh, run away, run away. Ooh. Okay, I think this is just one of those make it run into a wall kind of things. Oh, and dodge. Ooh. Oh man. He is agile for a Minotaur. Ooh! Oh man, 12 hit? Or 12 health per hit. I don't have any good weapons. I need to get him stunned somehow or something. Man. Whew. I don't know how to do this. He's just gonna be... Oh man, this is gonna be a long fight. I can already tell. Okay. 2 hits, it looks like they're the most I can get in. He's slowing down though. Whoa! Okay. Nice dodges. I killed him! I can't believe this. That guy though, locking me in here with that is such a mean guy. After defeating the Minotaur, you become aware of more noises in the dark. Knowing that you cannot face more foes, your only option is to try to escape. You tear through the maze in a desperate bid to find a way out. Oh jeez. Yay! Oh please, let me leave. You think that you're seeing familiar territory as you dash through the maze. You tear through the maze on a desperate bid to find a way out. Come on. This one is not right. Oh, no, 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 no.
A choice. Select your desire.
Oh, no, no, no. Whew. Oh, no. Huge success! The door buckles under your assault. The sound of your pursuers grows closer. You throw yourself repeatedly against the door. Oh my god. Second. And first. No! Oh god, please, no.
Ouch.
Oh, please, please, please. This one, please. No, no. Am I gonna die? The hinges of the door finally give way under your sustained battery. You burst out of the labyrinth and into the cold night to your escape. You don't stop to notice that several Minotaurs escape into the wild. This card's token is now yours. That guy. I'm going to get him.
If you found your way beyond the maze, I'm certain he can too.
I can't believe
This is what I
did
was looking
that.
for. You show some aptitude for the game.
I can't
Perhaps this
believe...
will not be as boring as I thought.
I can't believe he did that. That guy is terrible. I'm angry at him for throwing me into the maze like that.
The king is one of the players in our great mystery. Yet here
no.
he lies, dead and unforgiven. His time is now long past.
Oh. Alright, they ready themselves for combat. That's not too bad. I can't believe my trusted hunter friend ditched me in the maze like that, though. I trusted the insane maniac who's been hunting him for ages to not do that. I really shouldn't say that. Health is getting really low. Two gain cards. 10 max health. 10 food. Ring of survival. That's good. Call for a priest. Bring out your dead. Oh man. Oh, is there a way to go back to the hunter and like lock him in a maze? Jeez, what a terrible person. Honestly, can't believe it. I mean, honestly, who does that? That was his bro. He couldn't do that to— oh, that's a really cool looking mask. And no, I can't get over what he did to me, because that was terrible. By blessings? Ooh. No, no, no. No, I don't like any of those. 5 food for 18? It's not bad. Yep. Alright, and healing. Nice.
I'm sure you are grateful for that.
I am. Too bad you can't remove curses. Oh wow, thorns in his skull. That's really messed up. Whew. Let's continue onward.
Ever and always the lure of treasure moves you forward. There is no game without a prize.
I have no idea. Wow! When you reach the pier, you inquire about the drunken wench, only to discover it birthed at an abandoned jetty. I'm sorry, lad. I swear I didn't leave her here yesterday. That's the last time I drink Dulcin brandy, for sure. The shamefaced captain gives you some supplies for your trouble. Thank you. Which one do I want? Ooh, a helmet? Poverty? Ooh. Rat cleaver. I need a weapon. Yeah.
It's often hard to determine the provenance of an artifact, but this cleaver was clearly forged after the first invasion.
Ambush. Plague
The Mother
and...
of Scales
oh,
is a
God.
powerful adversary and should not be taken lightly.
Queen of Scales. Oh, man. Cheese it like last time. There you go. Sneak up and kill them. What? Healing. Please heal my wounds. I was an idiot. Alright, let's see. We're gonna reach the end of this floor and then we are going to call it. Go down and... helpful priest. Nope, sorry.
It's better than trudging along a muddy road. Certainly. He knows you are here. He can smell you.
So, now that we know that he can smell us, we are going to take a break. I'll see you in the next video of Pancake Plays, Hand of Fate.